This is a quick demonstration of how to enter in a new customer and motor in the iTIG 3 model B, C, and D. Click Start. We get to our customer and motor directory. Top left corner, find add motor and customers. Click Customers, New Customer. Click the white space and enter in your new customer. In this case, that will be ABC Electrical. Click Enter. Okay, now we have ABC Electrical in the database. Click the folder button. We're now going to add a motor to ABC Electrical's database. So again, find add motor and customer in top left corner. Say new motor. There's a whole lot of information you can enter in here. The instrument only requires you to fill in the motor ID and operating voltage. Starting from the top, motor ID, this is usually the serial number of the motor. It needs to be a unique identifier in the database. I'm going to make something up here for this motor. You can use the tab button to scroll down the list, enter in a job number, again making something up. Tab, equipment tag, this might be the asset ID for this motor, something like that. Tab, location, where are this thing being tested? We're in Longmont. Manufacturer, let's say this is an ABB motor. Operating voltage, maybe it's a 690 volt motor. RPM and power. At the end here you can select from the drop down menu if it's horsepower or kilowatts or kVA for a generator. Say it's 5 kilowatts in this case. Okay, so now we have entered in a new customer and a new motor in the database. This information will always be stored, so no need to enter it in again. If you want to test this motor, you now click the row with your motor ID. You can see your motor identification, nameplate information, and so on. And you can start a new test record by clicking Test. And off you go.